Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be unboxing Globox for the month of March 2018. This is how Globox for this month looks. It is a complete black case with the Globox logo on it, and it again comes with the magnetic closure as usual. So let me open this for you. And here I see that yeah, this is the receipt, or yeah, this is the receipt for the with all the payment details and the product details that I've ordered for this month. Okay, I'll show you all the products one by one now. So before that, I see that we have a card here which says, "Hey gorgeous, thank you for shopping with us. Hope you had a fabulous shopping experience and enjoy your beauty treats. We cherish helping you find the best in beauty. Love, Team Glowbox." Okay, and then we have this Share the Love card. Okay, the third card is Refer and Earn. It says, "Tell your friends about us and enjoy a 10% discount on your next box." Then the fourth card we have here is from lastinch.in, the ultimate plus size fashion destination for women. It is a gift voucher of 30% off on rupees 2500 and above. They have the coupon code here, and this is valid till 30th of June 2018. So the first product I have here is Freedom Be Free to Make Up Professional London Pro Primer. It is a 25 ml product. I did not have a primer, so I got this one because Freedom is again a very well-known brand, and I really wanted to try this out. So the price for this is 850 rupees, and yes, it is a very thin primer. It is a clear primer. If you want, I can show this to you. This is a very thin primer, and it is a clear one. It doesn't have any color or any tint to it. This is how the inner package looks. Okay. It comes sealed like this, and once we open this, we have a clear gel. Just look at this. Yeah. Okay. So I've applied it on my hand just now, and I see that it has given a very smooth finish and also a slight glow to it. So I'm very happy with this product, and I would definitely be using it for my makeup tutorials and also for makeup whenever I go out. I would definitely use this product. So moving on, the next product I have here is Lewis and Luth Silver Face Gel. It is a 50 grams product, and just see how beautiful it looks. Wow, it looks so amazing. I'm totally in love with this product. It has these tiny glitter particles in this. Not glitter, actually. I think these are the silver particles, and I would definitely love to use this product and see how it works on my skin. The MRP for this is 1299 rupees. It is manufactured on 8 2017, in the month of 8 2017, and it can be used till 12 months from the manufactured date. Okay, it should be used after shower or face wash. It helps moisturize skin, treat acne, increase glow, and improve skin texture. So all the key ingredients are mentioned here. Wow. So I would definitely go ahead and use it and see how it works for my skin. So the next product I have here is Humble Bee Activated Charcoal Face Wash. Sorry, not a face wash. This is a face mask. This is aloe vera charcoal hydrating face mask. This looks like honey to me. Okay, so let's see what is written here. The price for this is 499. It is a 100 grams product. It has aloe vera extracts, charcoal, fragrance, vitamin E, basil oil, and jojoba oil. This is a 100 grams product, and it can be used on an everyday basis. You can just apply it on your face This is a gel. This is a gel kind of mask, so you can gently apply it on your face. And after you wash your face, you can just apply it and massage it for about 5 minutes. Leave it on for 5 more minutes, and then rinse it with water. That is all that you have to do. Okay, so the next product I have here is Bio Bloom Skincare Face Pack, all skin types. This is for all skin types. This has apricot and aloe vera. This is again a 50 grams product. This is how it looks. Okay. This face pack calms and reduces inflammation and redness, leaves skin even toned, hydrated, supple, and soft. It heals damaged skin and helps reduce wrinkles. This has all the ingredients list mentioned here, and the price for this is $4.99 again, and it is best before 18 months from the date of manufacture. This is free from parabens, formaldehyde, sulfates, and petrochemicals. So this time I've chosen mostly skincare products except for the primer and the last product which I have right here. This is MUA eyeshadow, MUA Makeup Academy eyeshadow. But I'm really disappointed with this product because if you look at it, it's completely broken from within. I'm not even going to open this seal because I will have to send them a mail regarding this issue, and I'm sure they would definitely find out a way to help me. Either let me see if they can replace this, or what would they do for compensating. So I'll just leave it aside, and so these are all the products that I've got in this month's box: the primer, two face packs, actually three face packs, and sorry, two face packs, one face gel, a primer, and an eyeshadow. So I'm really happy with my purchase this month. I've chosen all the products that I wanted for my skincare and my makeup. So hope you also liked this video. If you did, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also do like, share, and comment on this video, and keep spreading love. Thank you.